In this video, I am going to show you how you can get Higgsfield credits for free. So let's get started. So first of all, come onto the Higgsfield site. Here you can see, for images you have C-Dream, Z-Image, Kling, and Nano Banana Pro. And for videos you got models like Kling 2.6, that's the newest one, Google Veo, Sora, Luma AI, and others. So if I come to my profile and manage account, and here if I go to my subscription, here you can see I have remaining 900 credits and I got the ultimate plan for free. For proof, you can see here in the invoices. If I go to invoices, you can see that here I got 3 plans back to back and all cost me $0. $0. Literally $0. And if I download it, you can also see here that it cost me around $0. That's it. You can see here they got minus $49. Okay, now I'd like to tell you how I got it. So first of all, you have to come to X, and here go to the search bar. First of all on here, search for Higgsfield AI, scroll down on the home page, and on the recent post you can see they are saying you can get 50 credits for 4 hours. Okay, for 4 hours you have to retweet and reply to their tweet. So every 12 hours they post such a tweet on their Twitter. So you have to simply repost it and give a nice reply like I'm giving here. For example, love this, gonna try it out. And that's it. You can get credit for free. Here you can see also around 3,500 people have commented here. Okay, and they organize this every hour. And after you get selected, you can get the direct DM from Higgsfield in your chat box here on X. So here's how you can get the free Higgsfield credits. Thanks for watching, and don't fall for traps online because they scam you, as you know. And that's it for today, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.